Youth vaping remains a serious public health threat. So what can be done to help our young people with nicotine addiction? Robin Koval, the CEO and president of Truth Initiative, and Dorian Furman, co-founder of Parents Against Vaping E-Cigarettes, join me now with some help. How did we get to this point that we now have a national youth vaping epidemic, and why is it so important that we address this public health issue?
This is the product of some very clever marketing and misinformation started by Juul, which, as we all know now, is a product designed to be cool and give kids very high levels of nicotine. Came in great flavors like mango and creme brulee that kids loved. And the clever marketing from Juul, by their own congressional testimony, we know that they were on advertising on animated shows, using social influencers at cool parties, even trying to infiltrate summer camps. And so kids really didn't have a chance. They were sitting ducks for this. And we know from research that many kids just thought this was fun and flavors. They had no idea that these products always have nicotine. And today that market has sort of metastasized, right? We have 2.5 million young people who are vaping in the last month. And that's a higher number than the year before, sadly.
Wow.
And what we also know is that of those kids who are vaping, they're doing it a lot. They're addicted. 46% of high schoolers who are vaping are doing it 20 more days a month. So almost every day. In fact, new research that we've just seen says that many of these kids are vaping within 5 minutes of waking up. So that gives you a good sense of that they are addicted and that they need help.
What should parents know, and how can they help their children?
Well, I think parents should know that their kids were targeted. These products were designed to addict kids, and the flavors, the stealth design, and the incredibly high levels of nicotine are incredibly addictive. So parents should understand that their kids were targeted, and they should know that their kids need help to stop vaping, to quit. And we advise parents talk to their kids from a very young age, and that it's not a one-time conversation. They have to keep at it, because these kids are hearing all of the opposite information from school, how cool it is, how everyone does it. And parents have to be that voice of reason at home. They have to be the support system to help their kids stop quitting. And, we get calls and emails from families around the state of Florida. It's a really huge problem everywhere in the country.
Robin, how is the Truth Initiative helping young people understand the facts about nicotine and even helping them maybe try to quit?
Of course, we have our Truth campaign. This is a public education effort we've been running for over 20 years now, of course, very focused on vaping. And it is all about giving kids the facts, because we know when kids have the facts, they make the right decisions, and giving them it to them in a way that they can share it with their peers and add and amplify their own voices to it. We know from our research that young people who are aware of the Truth campaign are significantly more likely not to start vaping and to be motivated to quit.
Where can we go, though, overall for more information?
Well, I invite you to come to truthinitiative.org. You can learn about the Truth campaign, about Vaping Know the Truth, a free curriculum program that we have for schools called, Vaping Know the Truth. This is Quitting is our quit program. You can learn about both. And both This is Quitting and Vaping Know the Truth are free.
Parents can reach out to us at parentsagainst.vaping.org or on social media on Facebook. We have a parent support group, and we offer parent presentations so parents can understand how to support their kids when they're quitting and how to spot the signs.
Thank you both so much for joining us today. And if you'd like to see this segment again, just head to our website at firstcoastliving.net.